welcome back to Know It All News, and today we're going to be talking about what's Microsoft doing with Linux. Now, this is a very interesting subject because suddenly Microsoft is releasing Linux distributions on Microsoft to run in the Microsoft subsystem, which basically means it's going to be really easy to install and run and use the tools that Linux has to offer. The problem is that there's no GUI and the tools are gutted. For example, Kaylee, normally well over, it's like 2.4 gigabyte download, they chopped that down to 250 megabytes. So it sounds kind of risky, and it looks sort of like this. So when you go to give Linux a try, make sure that you get the Linux distro from the actual website, which they offer completely for free. It's open source and it's actually very secure. And the download will be quite a bit larger than what Microsoft offers, but the experience will be far more enjoyable. Well, that's all I've got to say for today. So I'll be seeing you guys next time on Know It All News.